Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Theresa, 7 miles southeast of Mayville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Jackson, Slinger, Kewaskum, Theresa, Newburgh, Addison, Woodland, Wayne, Nemo, Fillmore, Boltonville, Alenton, Keowns, Nabob, St. Lawrence, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.